make this drink, you will need 30 ml of 4 Coolers gin, 30 ml of Campari, and 30 ml of Casa Mariol Vermouth. The tools you'll need are a mixing glass and a bar spoon, a jigger, a julep strainer, a chilled rocks glass, and some good ice. To garnish, we'll use an orange twist. Now, I know I said that you need a mixing glass, but the Negroni was never a fancy cocktail, and it's really widely available in Italy. Basically, every cafe can make you a Negroni, but there, the ingredients tend just to be poured over ice, given a stir, and boom, it's done. So if you don't have a fancy mixing glass, or you just need a drink really quickly, then feel free to do it that way too. The Negroni is equal parts of all of the ingredients. I'm gonna do 30 ml, but you're welcome to do as much or as little as you like. Pop those all into your mixing glass. Fill the mixing glass with as much ice as you can fit in there. Pop the back of your bar spoon or against the outside of the mixing glass and just sort of push the ice around. Once you can feel the glass start to get cold, your Negroni is probably ready. Give it a taste. Maybe just a little bit longer for this one. It was still just quite a harsh flavour. You don't really want to be tasting the alcohol in this. You just want to be getting all of the lovely flavours. Perfect. So grab out your chilled glass, pop your julep strainer into the mixing glass to hold the ice back, and pour over the biggest block of ice you can find. Take your orange twist, face it over the glass, and fold it quickly so that you're releasing all of the lovely orange oils over the surface of your drink. Then give it a little twist and pop it in the glass, and you're done. So now you know.